Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for Japan's eVisa online and how to show the visa insurance notice at the airport. So this is helpful because you can apply, pay, and receive the visa online, then just show it on your phone when you travel. So first go to Japan eVisa website and read the important info on the top page. Click step 1 or check necessary documents. Then confirm the visa requirements. Check the Japanese overseas establishment website for the full document list. Next, go to login page and create an account. After you register, select new registration, accept the disclaimer, and follow the steps to enter your details and travel info. So when uploading your facial photo, align your face using the red circle and keep it inside the frame. Then tap execute cutout. So plain background only when uploading your passport image. Upload a clear photo of the full page, fully open with all details readable. No glare, no cut off MRZ, and nothing blocked. Upload the required documents, review everything, then save. Choose the applicant in the list and tap submit. Then confirm and OK. You'll get an email and your status will update. If they ask for more documents, submit them right away because the review starts only after all documents are complete. If you pass, you'll get an email for fee payment. Pay by credit card only. If payment fails, use a different card because the same one can't be used again. After the payment is confirmed, you'll get an email that your eVisa is issued. So to use it, log into Japan eVisa website, display the visa issuance notice. If you applied for someone else, download the notice with a QR code and then send it to them. At the airport, you must show the notice by logging in and displaying it on your device. Screenshots or printouts are not valid. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button.